Wake up to the morning, fresh page, fresh sight, cup of wisdom and hand sparking that light. Dr. Laxley, our guide, with tales to tell, unearthing secrets where the truths dwell. Daily insights with Dr. Stephenson's game.
Greetings, friends of the Ecologian with Purpose movement. Welcome back to another episode of Daily Insights Unveiled. Here we explore the pathways to a more positive and fulfilling life, one challenge at a time. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into a topic that touches everyone at some point in their lives. Yes, we're talking about healing. Whether it is emotional, physical, or spiritual, healing is an essential part of our journey. It is a process, not a destination. And today we will explore how to embrace that process with grace and resilience. Healing is the body's and soul's natural response to pain, trauma, or loss. Just as your bodies mend cuts and bruises, our hearts and minds seek to restore balance and well being after emotional wounds. But healing doesn't happen overnight. Yes, it doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, self compassion, and sometimes the courage to face our deepest fears and pains. Now, let us take a step towards healing in an area where you feel a need. This could be emotional healing. Spend time reflecting on a hurt or loss you haven't fully processed. Write a letter to yourself or the person involved, expressing your feelings without holding back. Just know that you don't need to send this letter. This letter is written for you. Then there is physical healing. Focus on a part of your body that needs care. This could be through gentle exercise, a nourishing meal, or simply just getting some rest. Listen to what your body needs today. And of course, we have spiritual healing. If you feel disconnected from your spiritual self, reconnect. This might involve prayer, meditation, reading a sacred text, or simply spending time in nature. Now, remember, healing is personal. Yes, healing is personal. What works for one person may not work for another, but that is okay. The important thing is to honor where you are and take the steps that feel right for you. Now, let us take a moment to reflect. How did it feel to focus on your healing? Did you notice any resistance or discomfort? These feelings are part of the process and often indicate areas where you need to give yourself more compassion. Now, for example, if you feel resistance when reflecting on a past hurt, try to understand why you feel that way and reassure yourself that it's okay to feel that way. This in itself can be a form of self compassion. Healing isn't about erasing the past or ignoring pain. It is about acknowledging it and allowing yourself to move forward. It is about transforming wounds into wisdom and letting go of what no longer serves you. As we draw down on today's conversation, I want you to remember that healing is not linear. There will be days when you feel like you've made significant progress, and there will be those days when you feel like you've taken a step back. Be gentle with yourself on this journey. You are doing the best you can, and that is enough. Your efforts are valuable, and your journey is important. Every step you take towards healing is a victory. Now, I want you to join me tomorrow as we continue to challenge ourselves to grow, heal, and live with purpose. Until then, take care of yourself and remember that every small step towards healing is a victory. Let me repeat that. Every small step towards healing is a victory. Now, let me say thank you for being a member of the Ecologian with Purpose movement. If today's conversation resonated with you, share your experiences and insights with us on social media using the hashtag #ecoreligion with purpose and hashtag Daily Insights Unveiled. Let us heal together. Until next time, Daily Insights Unveiled, blessings always.
Through the annals of time, we walk and learn, each fact a treasure at every turn. Dr. Stephenson's voice, calm and profound, where questions meet answers, insights are found. Daily Insights with Dr. Stephenson's